Hello guys, welcome. Have you ever heard of OpenClaw? OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant. It is the most powerful thing in AI. You can do anything with it. You can train it with anything. It has soul, it has memory, it has everything. So in this video, I will show you how to set up OpenClaw and how to train it for certain things. OpenClaw is like a newborn baby. You can train it with anything. You can give it memory. You can give it a personality and everything. What you can do digitally, it can also do. So in this video, I will show you a very simple step-by-step method how to set up OpenClaw and how to train it. Even a non-technical person will be able to set up this. So first we will install OpenClaw. So for that we will open this openclaw.ai link. Now if we go down here, now you can see one liner PowerShell. So we have to paste this command in our PowerShell. So I'll copy this and come here to the search, type PowerShell. I will open it and I will paste the command here and now hit enter. Now it will automatically install Node.js if it is needed, and it will also install OpenClaw latest version. So now you can see here OpenClaw is installed and it is refreshing gateway service, but I will close this. Now I'll close this as well. Now we will go to the search and type CMD, hit enter. Now we will set up a new chatbot in OpenClaw. So for that I will type the command OpenClaw on board. Hit enter. Here it is asking you, do you want to continue? So I'll select yes, hit enter. Now it is setup mode. You can start with quick start, manual, imported from Claude, but we will select this quick start. Here in config handling, I will use existing values. Now from here you can add different models with it. You can add Anthropic, you can add OpenAI, but we will use OpenRouter here, which is free. If we go down, as you can see, you can add Ulama local. In next video, I'll show you how to add Ulama with it, but in this we will use OpenRouter. I have already set up a key for OpenRouter, but I will show you how to set up a key for it. So I'll select no. So it is asking me to enter OpenRouter API key. So for that I will go again to this browser. I'll open a new tab. Now here I will search for OpenRouter. I'll go to this first link, OpenRouter AI. Here I will click on this get API key, log in with Google account. Now we are logged in to our OpenRouter account. So here I will click on this new key to create a new API key. I'll name this OpenClaw chatbot, and here I will click on this create button. Now it has created as this key. So I'll copy this. I'll again go to CMD and I will paste it here. I'll click enter. Now we will use OpenRouter default auto. You can browse models if you want to browse any specific model. I'll hit enter. So here it is asking us to connect any channel, either Telegram, WhatsApp, or these different channels with this chatbot. But here we will skip this. So we go down here, skip for now, select this. So here it is asking for search provider. Can access the internet, so it is asking you to select a search provider. So you can select Brave Search or these other search, but we will use this DuckDuckGo because it is free. So I'll hit enter. So here it is asking me configure skills now. If I hit yes, so you can add these different skills into it, Gemini, OpenAI, Oracle, but for now I will skip this. So how can we skip this? With space button, skip for now will be selected and then hit enter. Set Google Places API for Google Places. I will not set this, so select no. For this also select no, no, no. Hit space to select the skip for now and hit enter. Gateway service already installed. Select this, restart. Now here you can hatch your bot. So we will hatch it in terminal. So if I hit enter, so now it has started our bot. It will give me a welcome message. So now you can see here, wake up my friend. Hey, I just came online. Who am I? Who are you? So here you give him a name and you mention your name to him, that who are you. So I'll tell him you are Angel and I am MIK. Now you can see it is telling me nice to meet you MIK. I am Angel. I am an AI assistant. What kind of creature are you? And what's your vibe? I am human and I am warm, intelligent and confident. So now it is asking me that I am an AI assistant. I would say my vibe is helpful, curious and a little bit playful, and my emoji is this. So I'll tell him, no, you are a software engineer. Your vibe is hard working, intelligent and helpful. So now we are building its personality. So it will save these things in its file. So it is asking asking me what should I call you and what's your time zone. You can call me master and my time zone is Asia, Karachi. So now it is asking me what are we working on today. So I'll go to this folder, D drive. I'll create a new folder here, OpenClaw work. I'll open this, copy this, and now I'll come here and I'll ask it create a login page designed professionally with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Put it in this folder. I'll paste the path of the folder. Do not ask further questions and tell me when the job is done. Hit enter. So now you can see it has done the job. So if I go to this folder, now you can see index.html. So if I open this, so now you can see it has created us a professional login page. Now I'll close this. Now I'll go again to our chatbot. Now I'll ask it create memory for yourself and keep track of the work we do so that you remember it in new sessions. So now you can see it has created a memory.md file and it has noted down all the thing I have given it. So now I will close this chatbot and I will show you its web UI. So I'll close this. So now I'll open CMD again and here I will type OpenClaw dashboard, and if it is showing this error, so go again and use OpenClaw gateway run. And now if I go here and refresh this, so now you can see OpenClaw dashboard. So now you can see here all the chat we have chatted there and the CMD with it, that is here. You can see in this dashboard, this is the overview, this is the channel. You can configure your WhatsApp from this channel section. This is the instances section. It is loading, it will take some time, but the main thing is this agents. Now you can see this agent has soul, tools, identity, user, heartbeat and memory. We have created this. I can preview this. You can see here this is the identity. You can preview this as well. This is a tools section. You can preview or reset this from here, these buttons. You can make changes to it, and this is the soul, and down here is the docs. You can chat with it from here as well. So now you can see here that it has returned me this message. I am functioning optimally master and the rest of the message. So you can do the chat from here as well. So now I will close this. I'll open CMD again. So if you want to use the CMD chat again, use OpenClaw chat. So it has started the chat again and now you can chat with it from here as it has retrieved our previous chat. So the best thing about OpenClaw is you can train it with software engineering, trading or any other skill and it will do it for you. So I personally think that it is more powerful than Claude. You can comment your opinion. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.